Hey everyone, welcome back to Sulfur AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a short reel using free AI websites. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone who loves to share moments with the world, creating engaging reels can be a game changer. Now, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to choose a free AI website that suits your needs. There are several options available online, such as ChatGPT for text, Leonardo AI for images, 11 Labs for AI voice, and Pixverse for image to video. Let's start with ChatGPT. Here you can see that I wrote that prompt, write a short story of a kid for 200 words. Watch full video and follow these as steps.
In a quaint village lived Lily, a curious girl with eyes sparkling like stars. Lily, armed with her backpack, ventured into the mysterious woods one sunny morning. In a hidden glade, Lily found colorful flowers and fluttering butterflies, dancing among them joyfully. With the setting sun, Lily returned home, grateful for the magical day she had experienced.